Look at that little face. Look at that little face. Look at that face. Hey, I was gonna see that.
Oh, I'm sorry.
It's fine.
Next one.
Sweet Science Showdown.
Hi Wonder Crew, I'm Tara. I have a degree in engineer. I have collaborated with NASA and I absolutely love science. Today I wonder the Sweet Science Showdown. Which of these drinks will be the sweetest? Let's find out. And look, I'm wearing a lovely collectible pin that one of you will win today where you're comment below. What is your prediction? Which of these drinks with different temperatures, cold, room temperature, or hot, is going to be the sweetest? Comment below for a chance to win our collectible pin. Today is with us Mia and my son Atisha.
Hey guys!
What do you think about this experiment?
I'm gonna love it.
So
I can't wait to drink all of this after. Wait, is this hot?
Yes.
These back ones are hot. Can I
Yes.
touch it?
Yes, you can touch them. I heat them up for 10 seconds in the microwave and I measure them with a digital thermometer. So they're about 160, 100 Fahrenheit degrees. So what materials do we need for our experiment today? We have 3 types of juice: grape, apple, lemonade, and we have them in 3 different temperatures: cold, room temperature, and hot. I place the juice, which is 1 tablespoon of juice, in the microwave for 10 seconds. And I take the temperature, it is about 160, 100 degrees Fahrenheit. So we're going to start testing our hot grape juice. Place a drop.
By the way, our dog Mia is a know-it-all.
We have 1.025.
Whoa.
Great. Our second sample is our room.
Oh no.
It's okay, just spit a little from our room temperature. Now we have our room temperature grape juice.
You mean apple juice?
Grape.
We just did grape juice.
Yes.
Oh, room temperature.
Yes, there are 3 different temperatures.
I forgot.
1.055.
This is odd.
So room temperature is testing
Whoa.
sweeter than the hotter temperature. That's
Now we have cold.
So we still to see a difference. The temperature is actually
Can I try squeezing
affecting
it?
the sweetest of our
Can I
juice.
try?
And next one.
Got it.
And our cold is 1.028. 1.028. So from our data right now, what I can see is hot.
Sweet. Get it? I said it's sweet.
Sweet, very sweet. Now we're going to test our apple juice. First, this is, can you help me here? Or hot apple juice. Thank you. Let's see. 1.025. The same reading as the grape juice.
Yeah, you're very much correct. Wow, my mind is about to be blown.
Really? Okay, now we're testing our room temperature. This is showing 1.025.
Again?
Yeah, same as
That's weird.
hot. That's interesting data. Now we're going to test or call. Can you help me here? 1 drop, please. $1.025. Huh, very interesting.
Wait, I need to see this.
Now we're going to be testing our lemonade, and we're going to start
Lemonade!
with our hot lemonade first.
Hot, hot lemonade. Hot, hot lemonade. Hot, hot lemonade.
Ooh, this is 1.059.
Whoa! That's sweet.
Now we're going to test our room temperature.
Let me get this one with this. It's the one that
Thank you
used.
so much. Yes, Mommy's doing this part.
Room temperature.
Let's see, Mia. What do you think? Did you see a pattern? Mia just got back from the groomer.
We told you she was gonna be cute.
1.028.
Look at that little face. Look at that little face. Look at that face. Hey,
Oh, I'm sorry.
it's fine.
Next one. And for our last sample, we have cold lemonade.
Lemonade.
1.55. 1.055. So why we found out? We found out that lemonade is the sweetest, right? But we saw something very interesting. The temperature didn't affect the apple juice at all, but did affect the grape juice and the lemonade.
Wait, but look, room temperature was actually higher than hot.
Yes.
How?
So grape juice have the highest sugar content, and it was the room temperature sample for grape juice. For apple juice, they were all equal, and for lemonade, hot had the highest sugar content, followed by cold.
What? Look, it says grape juice, room temperature 155, lemonade, hot 1.55. It's the same measurement.
Oh yes, here we have the same measurements, right?
For room temperature and hot and cold with grape juice and
lemonade, when it's cold, have 1.055, and for grape juice and room temperature have the same measurement.
Wait,
that's a great
the
observation.
cold and the room temperature are both the same. That's so weird.
Yes, for different contents of sugar, that is.
Why didn't different temperatures change the sugar reading in apple juice? Apple juice is a very stable liquid. That means the sugar is evenly mixed and stays the same, even when the juice gets colder or warmer. When we used the refractometer, it measured how much sugar was in the juice, not the temperature. Since apple juice is already well mixed and balanced, changing the temperature didn't move the sugar around or change how much sugar was there. So even though the juice felt different, the sugar inside stayed steady. That's why we saw the same number every time.
Shout out to all our subscribers who make exploring and experimenting so much fun. If you like grape juice,
subscribe.
If you like apple juice,
like the video.
And remember, imagination is more important than knowledge. See you in the next one. Bye. Which of these drinks will be the sweetest? With different temperatures, grape, apple lemonade. Lemonade is the sweetest, right? But we saw something very interesting